Well, as we go through here and you look ahead there, look at the bushes, and you will see quite a bit of movement. It is a windy day in the desert, and those are always days that it's not a lot of fun being outside in the desert when it's this windy. I said the sustained winds of about 20 miles per hour and gusts up to 30, maybe 40. It's a good day to stay inside, take a run into town, as I'm doing. I'm taking a run into town to get some mail, which I did a video on I think Saturday, and I mentioned, well, I'm going into town, gonna run an errand, gonna get some mail, and I pulled up to my mail service, and I was delighted. There were no cars there. There's not going to be a line. And then it dawned on me, it's Saturday. They're not open Saturday. They're not open Saturday or Sunday. And that is one of the things about being retired that they don't tell you, is the days of the week lose meaning. You don't really have a reason to keep track of it anymore. Although I still get, oh, it's Friday, it's exciting, it's Friday night, I have the weekend in front of me. Then I realize, well, I can continue to be excited. That's okay. But Saturday and Sunday aren't any different than any other days. And that's good. That's good news. That's exciting. But I do that sort of Friday night excitement and the Sunday night blahs, both have pretty much disappeared after, well, here we are, a year in 1 month, a little over a year and 1 month since I retired. And if you haven't caught my retirement, are you too young to retire, maybe not video, go and check that out. It's not shown in the views or reviews, but I felt it was one of my better videos, if not kind of my best video. Go and check it out and let me know what you think. I did notice it shows you the ratio of likes to dislikes, and I did get some dislikes on it. I'm not sure why, because whoever disliked it didn't comment, which I'm okay with. But I was a little surprised. When you produce YouTube videos regularly, you find that it's pretty tough to predict what's gonna be popular and what's not gonna be popular. The thing that motivated me to actually take this seriously, I've had a YouTube channel since I think 2009. I had a video production business, and I used that channel for videos on that. You can even, if you dig into my channel, you can find some of those things, weddings and memorial services and little advertisements for local businesses and things of that nature. Open mic nights at a coffee shop. I used to get free coffee for filming their open mic nights. And anyway, what happened this year is I was, obviously retired, and I ran across a very horrific accident on Interstate 10 in Arizona, and I picked up my cell phone and I filmed the aftermath of it. A Class A RV was obliterated, destroyed. 2 people died, and it was the scene was just it was mind-blowing. So we're talking maybe 45 seconds of video, and I talked a little bit about what I saw, and I had a motorcycle gang pass me while I was filming, so I included that. And I don't think it was more than three minutes or so. And my intent was, I was pretty sure that the RV, it turns out, came across the median and had a head-on collision with an 18-wheeler. And so pretty clear that something had happened. A catastrophic failure had happened on the RV, and most probably, I don't have confirmation on this, it was a tire blowout, which sent them over the median. And which can happen if you got a big rig and you have a blowout of a steering tire, and you can easily lose control. So my intent was, I got a lot of people on my friends list on Facebook and followers on YouTube that are RVers like me, so I wanted to put it out there. This is a horrible thing, but check your tires. Use a tire pressure management system. It's just a public service announcement to my friends. And after about a day, I had 1,000 views, which was unheard of on my channel. 1,000 views was just mind-bending. 1,000 views. And then I check it a few minutes later, it's 2,000. And it's 5,000. And I was camping with my friend, or camping near my friend Deborah Dickinson, so I was talking to her almost every day. And Frugal RV Gal, and every day it would be I'd say, guess how many I got now? And they always guessed low, because it went from 1,000 to 2,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 to 20,000 to 30,000. It peaked and stopped at 350,000 views. So that's that, and I got a couple hundred subscribers that I'm sure are very unhappy with this kind of content after that. But it said, hey, I've got these watch hours, I've got these subscribers. I think I could do this, this 1,000 subscribers. I think I'll give it a try. So that's what motivated me. And I'm anxious to do a follow-up on that accident, which I think that video would do very well. Primarily because, one, I want to know what really happened, if it really was a blowout, if it was something preventable. And I want to be able to report that. And oddly enough, given that there were 2 fatalities, there was never a news story on it. I checked thoroughly, and my information that I gave in the video came from the Wilcox Fire Department Facebook page. They did a post on it. It's the only thing I find. So I did a public records request. I think it was the middle of December, and for a copy of the accident report. And I understand that takes a very long time to get to me, but when it does get to me, I'm going to do a follow-up on that. And that's what my plans are as soon as I get that. Anyway, I'm in Quartzsite, and I'm here to pick up some packages, and one of the things in the package is going to be a microphone for my phone, so I can it's not wireless. You plug it into the lightning port, and there's like a 6-foot cord or something, and I'll be able to clip the microphone on my t-shirt, and that should really improve the audio, so you won't get as much as this. Like right now, I'm sure you're hearing a rumbling of the road noise as I'm driving, and it's makes it difficult maybe to hear what I'm saying sometimes. So maybe that will improve the audio. I don't think I'll be able to improve the video. This iPhone 14 does a pretty damn good job. I have from my video business days, I have a very expensive Canon video camera, and a professional grade camera, which has been sitting in its carrying case for a couple of years now. I don't use it at all because I really don't think it's I don't think it's as good as the phone, honestly. So anyway, I'm pulling up to my mail service, and I see it's definitely open because I see cars with doors open and all kinds of things going on. So we later. Take care.